Hello everyone. Today's video is about bathroom cleaning and organization. Hope you guys find it helpful. So let's begin. So this is how the bathroom is looking right now. It definitely needs cleaning and organization. So to begin with, this is my cleaning basket where I've stored all the things that I would definitely need for bathroom cleaning. First is Clorox disinfectant wipes and some bleach gel, disposable gloves for sure, and some paper towels, glass cleaner liquid, duster, and some scrub. So I'm going to begin by using Clorox disinfectant wipes. This is really good for cleaning any kind of surfaces. It gives an instant shine. It will take out any kind of dirt that is sitting in any corner. So I feel this is a really good disinfectant wipes to clean the bathroom as well. The Clorox wipe cleans the tap also really well. So for the toilet bowl, I'm going to put in some bleach gel, scrub it with a brush and leave it for a while. Cleaning the top of the tank with the wipe as well. I use Clorox wipe to clean the bathtub area as well. So next, cleaning the mirror. And dusting the lights gently. I'm gonna drop one of these tabs into the flush tank. Next, I'm gonna use the Airwick stick-ups for good odor. So for the organization part, in the below shelf in the bathroom, I have kept two baskets. The first green basket is for the cleaning, as I showed you earlier. In the blue basket, I have kept extra toilet rolls and another toilet bowl cleaner tabs, Airwick freshener, an extra soap case, hand wash. So in the side mirror cabinet, I have kept some extra face masks, makeup remover, face scrub, sanitary pads and tampons for emergencies, bath bombs, face masks, and extra toothpaste and toothbrush. So this is how the bathroom looks after a thorough round of cleaning. One tip is, I got the shower curtain from Target and it is 100% cotton and it's machine washable, so it's easy to clean. Thank you guys for watching. Do follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to watch more such videos. See you in my next. Bye bye.